Hey, it's Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. I've got a fast, fun, and creative idea for you today, and it's a great way to make the simplest form of mail a lot more interactive. I've got 4 designs to show you, so let's take a closer look. First up is a great idea for higher ed. This postcard features a bold pennant in school colors and a cue to lift here. As you can see, I've already spoiled the surprise for myself, but you would lift and peel away to remove the pennant and save it. Flip it over for a QR code too. I also like how the image is intact once the pennant is removed. Staying in the higher ed category, here's a postcard with 3 small peel and reveal panels. With each one, you open to reveal a photo and a QR code to view a video. This interactive mailer was designed to promote an open house event. Now let's change vertical markets and look at a similar concept to the previous sample, but for a home improvement company. The promotion features 4 ways to winter-proof your home, and you open the little windows and doors to reveal their suggestions. They also used a holographic foil to give the windows a glassy look, which is a really nice touch. Okay, so we've seen interaction with imagery, but now let's use simple typography instead with one of my favorite interaction devices, the zip strip. It's basically like a paper zipper, and boy is it fun to open when there's an intriguing question with an answer underneath. Brilliant. The beauty of these examples is that it's really just a single fold, 2 panels glued together with some selective scoring and perforating. There was a removable pennant shape, fun peekaboo panels, and a zip strip to consider. As we saw, this concept can be applied to any category for marketing, so no excuses. Put this great idea to work for you right away. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.